Hello guys, welcome to Moneyline Tips. In today's video, we have a total of 2 odds for you. I have an announcement that is good for everyone. We are using our Bedwinner as our official bookmaker, and then they are offering a mouth-watering bonus for everyone, including my fans. So if you are using my promo code, which is Moneyline, you will get up to 190,000 naira bonus. And also those people or those of my subscribers outside Nigeria, you can get up to $200 bonus when you use my promo code, which is Moneyline. I will drop the link in the comment section and also in the description. So you register, sign up, deposit, and then let's make some money together. We have a total of 2 odds for you today, as I mentioned earlier, and then our games are in Argentina, and the first game is a game between Racing Club de Avellaneda taking on Central Córdoba de Santiago, and our prediction is under 3.5 goals. Under 3.5 goals, not the Asian handicap, under 3.5 goals, the normal under 3.5 goals. Then we move on to our second game for today, still in Argentina. Professional League. A game between Rosario Central versus River Plate. Our prediction is under 3.5 goals at full time. Then the third game to make up our 2 odds today, still in Argentina Premier League, where sorry about that. Again between Terrares de Córdoba versus Gimnasia Esgrima La Plata, and our prediction is under 3.5 goals at full time. When you combine these 3 games together, it will give you a total of 2.10 odds. So I will drop the booking code and also in the comment section, also including the registration link. So register with my booking code, then you stand a chance to, not stand a chance, it's automatic bonus that you get when you deposit. You get up to $200 bonus, and also if you're in Nigeria, you get up to 190,000 naira bonus. Thank you for staying tuned. This is the booking code, and the booking code is T4VNK. T4VNK. I will drop this booking code and also the registration link in the comment section. See you in our next video.